Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. This is update number 24 and we are pumped up because we just put some sweat equity in making sure that these chassis bushings are in. At least spent a lot of time getting these bolts tightened up. She was kind of underneath the car working those biceps and triceps and she got him in there. But while she was doing that, I was preparing a plan because we're going to show you a montage of all the parts we threw on right away once these bushings were in. All right guys, and check this out. Look at what we have right here. So this is the door handle for the passenger side, and we have this was powder coated and this was powder coated as well. This looked really old. So we have these two pieces together, and the way that this works essentially goes in here. But what I also had is I had this Cerakoted, which is way different from powder coating. It's a way thinner. It's usually used for firearms, real popular with the firearm application, but it's a lot thinner type of metal coating. So what they do is they sandblast everything, and the process for powder coating and Cerakoting is a lot different. But essentially we got this Cerakoted, the spring, because it was rusty. And the way that it works is you put this part right here, the button here, the spring there, then the spring cover over here, and then the snap ring inside here. And then get this tool. I'm gonna go ahead and put the teeth in there. I kind of feel like a spider. Get your fangs in there. And while trying to do everything nicely, see, look, it's not that easy, I'll tell you that. All right, let's see, I'm kind of trying to show you guys how to do it. There he goes. Uh-oh, we almost got it. Boom. And it's in there, guys. See, at this point in time, we could press our button and the spring does its job and the snap ring is in place. I want to show you real quickly, guys, something. You see these bolts? We paid actually a lot of money to have these cleaned and re-synced. But if you remember, I got this car with about 20 bags of just nothing of bolts, you know, washers, more washers, and essentially we had to figure out what's going on. And as we get closer to finishing the car, the chassis and the body, we're realizing that a lot of these bolts that were given to us actually have nothing to do with the car. They're just, we don't know what they go to. We just think everything was just thrown in a box, and pretty much that's how it was presented to us. So, all right guys, so if you're not aware, I put the car up for sale on eBay. So if you're interested, go look at the eBay ad. And to be honest with you, I put a fair price for what we're in because we had to pay, you know, to import the car and have the car shipped and stuff like that. And we know that's a sunk cost, but this is a really good start for somebody who has experience and has parts for this. But if it doesn't sell, guys, which really, to be honest with you, I'm sticking to my price and I'm not going any lower. We're gonna go with the rotary engine. I've always wanted to work on rotary engines, and I've always wanted to get my hands dirty with them and learn about them. And we're gonna go with the simple rotary engine. Nothing turboed, nothing fancy, no AC, no power steering, just a simple rotary engine inside this car. And we are gonna be really excited. We know we have to go away with the differential. I know one of the guys who did the S2000 swap let me know that we have to get a new differential for that. But it's gonna be a whole custom build. And to be honest with you, I'm gonna really rely on the people to go ahead and make the mounts and put the engine in there, and the rest of the stuff I could do myself. But at this point in time, that's really what I'm looking at right now. So I'm really pumped up about that because I think it's gonna be really unique, and it's just fun. It's just a fun project for us. All right guys, well thanks for tuning in. You guys take care, and we will see you in the next update.